Good morning, ma'am. My name is Rizky from Room Service Department. I will serve your order, ma'am. Where can I put your order, ma'am?
You produce omelette, fresh fruit, orange juice, fried rice, satay.
My name is Rizky from Room Service Department. May I carry out your purpose?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am, this is your bill. Your order amount 300 and 1,000 rupiah. Please assessment here and your bill will be included with your room. I finished to fill up your purpose, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.